Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video series, I will create Tic Tac Toe game. Tic Tac Toe game is two-player game, and in this game, I have implemented computer player, so human will play against computer. And let me show you the game first. The game will ask you to play first or second. So here I will choose to play first. And to select these 9 box, you have to press a value from 1 to 9, starting from top left corner. So at first I will select number 1 box, computer selected box 5, and let me select box 6, computer selected box 2, let me select box 3, and computer won the game. So this is the overall game that we are going to create at the end of this tutorial. And I have divided this tutorial into two sections. And in first part, we will discuss about flowchart, algorithm of computer player, and data structure used in this game. And in second part, I will discuss the source code in details. And to download the source code, please check the video description. I have provided the link to download the source code, and also I have provided the link of this my blog. Now let's discuss the flowchart of the game. After starting the process, we will display the game menu, and from the game menu user can choose to play first or second. And after that we will initialize the game. So here we will initialize all the global variables, and after that we will draw the first frame of the game. So this is the initial game in window, and then we will start the game, and this is also the infinite loop of the game, and inside the infinite loop all the gameplay happens. And at first we will set the player either human or computer, and after that we will get the input from the player. First player get cross sign and second player get O sign. And after getting user input, we will check game winner or game draw. If there is no game winner or game draw, then game loop will start from the beginning. So this will happen until there will be the winner or there will be game draw. And if there is winner, then we will display winner message. If there is game draw, then we will display game draw message. And after that, game will ask user to restart the game or exit. If a user choose to restart, then game will start from the beginning. So it will start from game menu, so that user can choose to play first or second again. And if user choose to exit, then game will exit. Now let's discuss computer player algorithm to understand how computer will choose the box in the game. In this game, I haven't used complex AI algorithm. To implement AI algorithm, we have to create complex data structure, which is not the scope of this tutorial. This tutorial is targeted for the beginner. As you know, in tic-tac-toe game, there is very limited number of steps, and the maximum number of steps is 9. So by that time, you will always get the result, either winner or game draw situation, right? So I have formulated series of best game steps from high rank to lower rank, and computer player will choose a next move based on those predefined series of game steps. Okay. At first, computer player always choose the location to win the game by scanning all available columns, rows, first diagonal and third diagonal. And if there is no winning location, then it will always find the location to draw the game, because computer player do not allow opponent to win the game. Okay, so to find the location to draw the game, it will again scan all the columns, all the rows, and first diagonal and second diagonal. So now if there is no winning location and if there is no location to draw the game, then it will pick next best box. Okay, so which is defined from step 3 to 11. Okay, so at first it will always choose the center location, which is the fifth location. So computer will always choose center, and if this position is not available, then it will start from second, then it will go to fourth one, and sixth and eighth one, and it will start from first corner, first location, and then go to third location, and then go to seventh location, and it will go to ninth location at last. Okay, So these are the series of steps. It is already predefined in the game, and this is the best move that I can formulate. Okay, so if you have your own logic, then you can implement that logic also. Okay, this much for computer player algorithm. Now let's discuss data structure of the game. In this game, there are three objects. The first one is XY coordinate of the window, and second object is box of the board. So all total there are nine box. So each box is the object, and third one is the player. So let me open the game and explain this. I'll choose one here, and let me make it small and minimize this. So here, to display this window, to display this overall game board, we need XY coordinate of the window. So that XY coordinate is represented by point 2D object. Okay, that is also object, and each box are the object and the player are the object. So to define all these three object, I have declared three structure definition. Okay, the first one is point 2D, and it has two element x and y, and it will represent x coordinate and y coordinate. And second object is board box. It will represent each box of this board. So there are nine boxes, and each box will have center coordinate here, center coordinate, and also it will get the unique value based on the player. So let me choose first box. So here at the center, we display cross. So at the center coordinate, we display cross. So it is represented by point 2D type center variable here. And for human, we assign value 3 to that box. So that is represented by this value variable here. So each box will have unique value based on the player, and it will have a center coordinate. And here I have created box variable of structure board box type, and it is an array variable, and the size of the array is 9, which will represent 9 box of this board. And our last object is player, and it is defined by player structure, and it has number of turn. So it is a game turn, so maximum number of turn value is 9. And second element is selected box. It will represent the selected box. And third element is current player, so it will identify current player who is playing the game, who selected the box. And the next player variable will have the next player value. And here I have created variable p of player structure type, and this variable p always represent current player. So yeah, these are the all three objects that we need in this game. And yeah, this was for this video. We will meet in next video. If you like my video, please subscribe this channel to support me, and see you soon in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.